Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the parent or organizer account. This is required to change request controls. Once signed in, unlock with your password or biometrics so changes apply immediately. Open the system settings or launch the Family Link/Family Management app. Find the Family or Sharing section. Make sure you see the list of child accounts. This confirms you're in the right place. Now that you're in, proceed to the specific child or app request settings to modify approval behavior. Don't skip verify. You select the child profile from the list. This directs you to their controls. Next, find app requests, ask to buy, or purchase approvals. These labels vary by platform. Tap it to view which apps and approval modes are active. Once visible, toggle off request notifications or change permission to allow purchases without asking. Make sure to confirm any prompts before exiting, because some systems require you to save or re-authenticate. Once changed, the child's future app attempts follow the new rule immediately. You finish by signing out of settings, then performing a quick test from the child account. Try requesting an app or making a purchase to confirm changes. If the request still shows up, restart both devices and reopen the family controls to verify the toggle saved. Sometimes syncing lags. If problems persist, contact the platform's support. Make sure you can show that you're the organizer or parent. That documentation speeds resolution and avoids repeated changes, so keep it ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.